mate's back in town, so we're going to go and get these rims swapped over. So I picked up some Nascar rims, and obviously they suit the theme a lot better than the Steelies that I'd made up, so we had to lift the body up to get the wheels off, so that all works. Next up, we'll be at the tyre shop. Get some
Put on a bit of weight since the last time I lifted it, mate.
Yeah, no. Bit of glass.
How good's the old window looking, but?
Yeah, it's going to be a lifesaver cruising around Summernats or something similar.
Never gets that hard anyway.
Alright, off we go. Okay, so we got the new rims fitted. Love the look of them. The only thing I've got to do is raise the back of this ute up. Not because of the wheels, but just I realised the chassis is probably going to bottom out if I don't raise it up a bit, and the back of the whole thing dips down a little bit anyway. So I've got these are my actuators, 14-inch linear actuators. So I'm just going to try and hook these up to a battery, and just obviously I haven't got the brackets and stuff yet, but just see how they go in regards to strength of lifting it up. Okay, I've got these very roughly mocked up in there. It's purely just to see how it goes. I mean, I can change exactly where they go, but this is just to give me an idea of what's going to happen, if it will lift at all. So check it out. That's cool. It's working. I'll have to mount them properly. I sort of got to move these. This whole front end's got to be changed anyway, so this will be getting cut off sort of from here, and a full bumper put down the front there, so I can clear the turbos properly and easily. But that's pretty cool. Proof of concept. It's got enough strength to lift up the body. And now it's a gasser. It's easy. Sweet. I haven't wasted all my money. Alright guys, so welcome back. Here we are, the new wheels are on. Looking great. Now I'm up to the stage of fitting these actuators. And this is where a lot of head scratching comes into play. Originally, I did a little test last night. I sort of had them sitting in here, and I thought that would be good to keep that all tucked sort of out of the way. However, I still have to fit from down here. I'm not sure if this camera's okay. From down here, I've still got to fit a rail bar hoop. It goes right up, plus some diagonal door bars that come down through here that meet up with this front thing here. So I'm going to run out of room there. I think I figured out the best option is to just have them both inward here. So if I can have these both sort of like that, it should be pretty strong because it's got these mounts going to right there. And yeah, I'll just make a bracket to hang that off the top. I'll tack it all in, we'll give it a test run to make sure, like through the full range of motion, to make sure it all works. But if I do it there, that gives me room to put the roll cage in. Should be out of the way of everything. I'll just have to protect the motors a little bit from the heat, the tubs and that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm thinking that's a good spot to put them. So I'll see if I can get the grinder in there, clean that up. We've got some little brackets here to go. Bottom there, I'll go like that. They'll get welded in, so I'll just have to grind them, get all the gal and stuff off them so they weld good. Yeah, so I'll get all that fiddly work done and come back and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so here we go. That's where that's getting tacked there. I'll just give it a little tacks and I'll unbolt it. Now that's been tacked down there. What I figured out is if I run another bar straight across there between them two, and then some little brackets, should be relatively simple. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so sometimes you've got to move backwards a bit to go forwards. So basically, it's going to cop a whole new front end. It's going to have a bumper that sticks out here a little bit more. So it's come time to just sort of cut off here, cut down through here, get that whole front end off, mock up the radiator and stuff as tight as I can there once I've done the intake piping, and then see where the front end's got to end up after that. So the bonnet will be getting put on with like bonnet pins to hold that in, and just a little slot cut for that, and a couple of holes for the waistcoats. But yeah, time for all this to get removed, and do like a really lightweight tube frame underneath the guards and across the front, and have all the radiator and everything mounted off the chassis there. So this will sit around it, nothing will touch, it'll still be completely drivable with the body up or off. So yeah, next step's grab the grinder and cut that front end off. There we go. Talk about, they're called access.